Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kling AI on your iPhone or your iPad. So once you're inside Kling AI or at Kling AI website, if you look towards the lower left hand side, you find the Kling AI app. Click on that, and here you will see that it shows that you can install it for the iOS devices. So if you're an iOS user, you can simply open up your iPhone or your iPad, open up your camera there, and simply scan this code here. So once you scan this, you will see that it gives you a link into your camera, and you will see something like a qrco.app. You click on that link, guys, and you should see it opens up your browser. Now you might get a pop-up that says the file might be harmful, but it's just not the usual way to install it, but it is fine. It's completely safe, so you can simply click download anyways. And what this is going to do, it's going to download the apk or a file for your phone. So for example, so it's going to download the file to your phone and allow you to install the app. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.